Hi you guys, this is Sha Angel and I'm doing the Reborn giveaway entry with Biddy Bundles Nursery. So this is my Reborn I got from her from Ashton Drake. I can't really dress her how I want and stuff, but okay, so this is for Biddy Bundles Nursery. I will want him because I would like to win him because I want another reborn baby. I want a boy that I can dress. I can't really dress her, but I want one that I can dress and stuff. And I love reborn babies. That's why I want him. And I will name him Theo. So that's why I would like to win him because I love reborn babies and I like to dress them and stuff. And I will also, if I have to, I will also make a video of my mom saying yes that I couldn't enter. So I'm gonna repeat myself. I would like to win him because I love reborn babies and I love to dress them up and stuff. And I have kind of a lot of boy stuff. And I will name him Theo. So that's why I would like to win him. And I will name him Theo. So this is my reborn. Her name is My Angel. So that's why I would like to win him and stuff. So bye. I hope I win. Bye.